Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2495th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. You can find me at livewithoscar.com. Traders, this video is being filmed on a Monday night for trading Monday through Tuesday. That would be November 29th, 2022. So remember, before we get started, this is a very risky game. Never trade without stops. Put those stops in first. No matter what anyone tells you, always have a stop prepared and place that stop before you get into a live trade. So, hey, I'm back. I'm so happy to be back. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. The holiday just passed. I generally do not trade on the first day back from a 3-day holiday weekend. So Monday we did not trade. Monday night we do this video and pick up trading for trading on Tuesday. So we are looking at the E-mini S&P double top. And look what's hiding behind that double top. 200 bar moving average. So we had a little double top over this week while I wasn't paying attention. And I shouldn't say wasn't paying attention, but while we weren't doing videos, a double top formed, and the reaction to that double top was seen on Monday. Now, of course, this could be from, hearing about the Chinese having a little uprising there, but, imagine this. They locked us down for, 6-7 months in the United States, maybe a little less. And when they let us out, half the cities across the nation were on fire. We burnt them down. These Chinese have been locked up for 3 years. You better believe they're getting ready to light something on fire. Anyway, that could be what happened here. We'll see. And hey, power to the Chinese people. Let's see what happens there. Anyway, double top. A reaction to that double top. The Omni is looking to sell rallies for trading on Tuesday and Wednesday, or I should say Monday night to Tuesday. That's your E-mini S&P, and we do have that double top. It's on a daily, but it's there, and it did work so far. So it is what it is, and we'll call it what it looks to be. That's a double top, and we know when we see a double top, we sell a double top. That did happen on Monday, the day I didn't trade. Last day of trading, double top was set. Monday, the reaction. So let's go look at, the NASDAQ. Let's see what's happening there. All right, NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ chart basically has failed at, let's move these averages around, 100 bar moving average now instead of the 200. So let's go look at that, and there it is, your 100 bar moving average, this average right here. So the market sort of stopped cold when it hit it, illustrated by the red circle. We have gone down since, made an attempt for a double top, didn't even get close when the ES made its double top. NASDAQ did not. And we're starting to head back down. Now, could this be a bull flag? Well, you drop a flagpole right here, right? And say, well, it could be. We do not anticipate. We don't tell a market what it's going to do. But at this point, we are in the middle of that flag, so no matter what it is, we're in mid-ground right now, right? It could go all the way here, or it could go there. So while we're in mid-ground of that flag, and Omni's pointing lower, lower is possibly where we will end up. So we will sell rallies in NASDAQ if we get a chance. And then you've got another indice that's shaping up pretty interestingly to me, if you ask me. And we're going to head back to that 200 bar moving average. And we'll make the 100 invisible, back to the 200, and let's look at this chart. So you are looking at the Russell 2000. It had 4 days above the 200 bar moving average, something I illustrated to you last week. Then we fell under that average. Boom. Stayed under it for a long time. Rallied back and spent literally 4 days above that average, and then went right back below it again. A carbon copy of what happened here. So, drops out of those 4 days above the 200 bar moving average and just molds itself into a bear flag, which is this black illustration. And we have dropped below the flag as of here. We are below that flag. and the Omni has turned red. So multiple reasons why we're looking to sell rallies in our U.S. indices for trading on Monday night and Tuesday. Traders, I've been a little bit quiet on videos the last few days. There's a reason. My programmer, Tony Tuzo, love you to death, sir. Thank you, came into town for 9 days, and we worked on a bunch of site enhancements. Some of those site enhancements were back end, but a big site enhancement was made for the front end. I will talk more about that in tomorrow night's video and tell my Omniacs what we were working on that will help them and I hope help improve their trading. So that we'll talk about tomorrow night. In tonight's video, we're selling rallies in U.S. indices. You've seen why. There's your bear flag in Russell, one of the many reasons why Omni is likely on the downside. Traders, make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Subscribe to these videos, and then like and share them around the internet. We could use the views. Then remember, keep your emotions out of trading. Say this to yourselves over and over again, and I hope it helps you to do just that. Stop sorting. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Good luck trading. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.